Okay, the first step is to go to EduSmart Science, edusmart.com. And then once you get to the website, you're going to log in. Okay, here's the login button there. Your login information is Shelby, password is Shelby, district is Dallas ISD, all caps. Sign in, and then you're going to go to the Content tab. On the right-hand side, Shelby, make sure that it says Biology. These are the different topics that your test is going to cover. If you missed, let's say, for example, a TEK entitled 7E, you click on lesson number 7, and then you scroll down to E. These are the lessons. This is called the instructional module. Here's a quiz, but you may not be able to see the quiz. Here's your interactivity. It's a lab activity. Here's your glossary. And then there are journal activities as well, if you would like to try those. Click on the instructional module. And then you have adaptations, speciation, and summary. We're going to get started with adaptations.
Examine the structure of any organism and you will find examples of adaptations. Take the leaves of an oak tree, for example. Their green color results from the high concentration of chloroplasts in their cells, which is an adaptation for photosynthesis.
Okay, and then to move on to the next slide, you just simply hit the next button.
Their wide, flat shape is an
So I'm going to pause it there. That's what you need to do for the SEs that you missed. Go back to your test, look at the answer key, look at the number that you missed. Scroll over to the column that says Content Student Expectation. Find the Content Student Expectation, and then once you find it, you click on that first number, and then you click on the actual letter, and that's going to take you to the lesson you need to review.